April 14, Popularity Contest, Matthew chapter 23, verses 1 to 12. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today, yes, and forever. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8. Recently, the world's top selling soft drink changed its secret recipe. Although it was still in first place when the recipe was changed, its popularity had been dropping. So the change was made to attract more soda drinkers. People also sometimes change in order to please others and become popular. But Jesus did not come to earth to win a popularity contest. He did not alter his views or ignore certain people so he could be a part of the in crowd. In today's Bible reading, the Lord criticized the religious elite people. They were concerned only about how they appeared to others. Standing up for your beliefs or loving those shunned by others may cause you to be less popular. But remember, Jesus did not compromise in order to gain friends, and neither should we. Amen.